You've probably heard a lot about AI, but have you heard about AI agents? This isn't just another buzzword. This is the next giant leap in technology, and it's poised to change everything about how we work, run businesses, and even live our daily lives. So, what exactly are they, and why should you be paying very close attention? Let's break it down. Think of the AI you use now, like ChatGPT or other language models. You give it a prompt, and it gives you a response. It's a one-and-done interaction. You're the one in the driver's seat, figuring out the next step. AI agents, however, are a whole different ballgame. They are autonomous. You don't just give them a single task, you give them a complex goal. For example, instead of asking an AI to write an email, you could tell an AI agent, plan and book my entire business trip to Tokyo for next week, find the best deals on flights and hotels, and add everything to my calendar. The agent then breaks that big goal down into smaller tasks. It researches flights, compares hotel prices, checks your calendar for availability, books the tickets, and then reports back to you when it's all done. It can even handle unexpected issues, like a flight being sold out, and find an alternative on its own. It's like having a super intelligent, incredibly efficient personal assistant working for you 24/7. So, how do they do it? AI agents typically follow a loop. They observe their environment, they think and create a plan, and then they act. This is often called an OODA loop or a similar framework. They can access the internet, use different software tools, and even interact with other AIs to get the job done. Imagine a team of these agents working together. One agent could be in charge of marketing, analyzing data to find new customer segments. Another could handle sales, automatically reaching out to leads and scheduling meetings. A third agent could manage your supply chain, predicting demand and ordering stock before you even realize you're running low. The potential for businesses is absolutely staggering. This leads us to the big question. What does this mean for jobs? It's true. Some tasks that are repetitive and can be broken down into clear steps might be automated, but that's not the whole story. The rise of AI agents will also create entirely new roles and opportunities. We'll need people to design, build, and manage these agents. We'll need experts who can define complex goals for the agents to pursue. The focus will shift from doing the mundane tasks to a more strategic role, overseeing the AI, analyzing its results, and making high-level creative decisions. Think of it less as a replacement and more as an evolution. Your job might become less about the how and more about the why and the what if. Instead of being a data entry clerk, you might become an AI operations manager. For businesses, this is a game changer. Small businesses and startups can suddenly compete with large corporations by deploying AI agents to handle tasks that once required huge teams and budgets. This levels the playing field and could spark a new wave of innovation. Large companies can streamline their operations to an incredible degree, boosting efficiency and cutting costs. From customer service bots that can solve complex problems to agents that can write and debug their own code, the applications are practically limitless. We're talking about a future where businesses can operate with unprecedented speed and intelligence. The era of autonomous AI is dawning, and it's happening faster than most people realize. This isn't science fiction anymore. It's the next logical step in our technological journey. Understanding what AI agents are and what they're capable of is the first step to preparing for this incredible shift. Whether you're a student, a professional, or a business owner, the time to start learning is now. This isn't something to fear. It's something to embrace and leverage for a more efficient and creative future. Thanks for watching. If you found this explanation helpful, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more deep dives into the future of technology. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What S1 Go UD give to your own personal AI agent? See you in the next one.